am preparing trolley for PCNL surgery. This is our first case today. I am preparing the trolley for PCNL. We are in the urology theatre. We have just started the OT.
I think Rodhan, do patient patient.
The PCNL into ursl. The ursl, it was successful surgery. Patient was benefited, and I am now closing the instrument back. This is ultrascope. I have cleaned it. I am putting it back. PCNL. Also PCNL. This is our second case today. The second one. Let us see whether we do the PCNL or we continue with the ursl. Actually, the previous patient was having upper ureteric stone. It was 1 centimeter below PU. But Alhamdulillah, we did a good job and at the ursl and patient was benefited. And in this case, patient is having kidney stone. So we are going with the PCNL. Okay. Show. We made a puncture directly on the stone. Through the puncture needle, guide wire could not be passed onto the renal pelvis and to the ureter. So it was a difficult case. We had to hold the wire very carefully. After guide wire, we followed the single dilatation steps carefully, holding the wire with utmost care. We pushed the saline through the UK, but it was not coming through the ampla sheath. As the stone was in the calyceal diverticulum, it had no connection with the pelvis or the collecting system. This is the stone. We are doing the lithotripsy of the stone, removing the stone. After complete clearance of the stone, now it was the time to put the DG stent. Since it was in the diverticulum, it had no connections with the renal pelvis, with the collecting system. So we pushed betadine saline through the UCath and guided the nephroscope accordingly. Hopefully guide wire got passed onto the collecting system. Then we dilated the diverticulum using the Elkin needle. You can see we are in the renal pelvis, and this is the ureteric catheter in the kidney. This is stent. We are pushing the stent, and now we are putting the stent. I finished the case. Stones are here in the drape.